to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today is actually Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. I'm single, of course. No plans, and not a really great time to meet or date anybody here right now. So aside from that, I did go see, before inclement weather, we might see some ice. Parts of Alabama are definitely going to see some ice tonight. Tomorrow night's the increased chance of it, so I don't know how the morning's gonna go. I don't know how Tuesday morning is gonna go, but all good. So yeah, if you want to know, my eyes are the BH Cosmetics is it sweet cherry palette, sweet cherry, something like that palette from their ice cream thing. And the lip is this Glam Light Strawberry Margarita. Yeah, Strawberry Margarita gloss. It's not a lipstick, it's a gloss. And I did have to swipe on a few times when the doe foot and the stopper doesn't get a lot of product anyway, but I had to go over a couple times just to get this coverage. But it's still a good gloss and very pretty. So today I have a little Ulta haul for you. And I ordered again for I think just the free gifts they were having. They're having really good free gifts, and there's a couple things I wanted to try. So yeah, now what I wanted to try was this, and it looks so orange. I thought it looked orange on the pictures, but I did the little, like, Ulta Beauty has a little screen and says this is your color. They said medium 3 was my color. Now normally I would think so, but that color is a little warm looking, but this is supposed to be neutral. But anyway, this is the L'Oreal Skin Paradise Water Infused Tinted Moisturizer. So it really just depends if this is going to go orange, and it does look very dark. It doesn't. Oh no, that's freaking orange. This is supposed to be neutral. It does say neutral. Medium 3 says neutral. That is not neutral. That is warm. That is orange. That is not neutral. Where did they get that this is neutral? That is not neutral. I don't know who's that color. I'm sure somebody's that color. I'm not that color. I knew I should have went with the light one, because for some reason whenever they do these tinted moisturizers, it's always so weird. So this is the O2. Now this one looks neutral, and I want to say it actually said cool. That is not a neutral undertone, and it's supposed to be. This one I think said cool, but this one seems orangish too. Though that color seems more right. Why is it so orange? Look at this. Look how orange that is. I'm like, wow. Okay, that one is a little less so the more I'm blending it out. Like that one, I don't think it'll even go. No. Okay, this one is a little bit better. It's not as bad as that one. Does have kind of glow. It has a little bit of coverage because my veins are slightly dull, but not really. I mean, for adding this much like undertone, it doesn't have coverage, which is so weird. I'm not really. So that's okay. That was not horrible. If another month or so, if I get a little bit of sun, I think it'll be okay. That one did blend out better as a neutral, but this one, medium 3, is not neutral, no matter what they say. So, what else is supposed to be? Broad spectrum SPF 19, aloe vera, and witch hazel. Did you notice the witch hazel in there? People don't like witch hazel for your skin, so that, yeah, I might be willing to try that. I have to wait like a month or so to try it. Let me get this off my hands. I had a feeling, so don't pay attention to Ulta's. They read it right. Like, my skin tone is neutral, and that's what color they suggested in that one. I was like, you sure? And medium 3 says neutral undertone. It's not neutral. And I think medium 2 is supposed to be cool undertone, but that one was not either. It's basically, you spent $25. Hold on, I have to get one other thing. I got this. Is this it? No. This is it. Okay, I ordered this for $12. So I could have $30 got me some kind of free gift. This is from It Cosmetics, and this is the Pillow Lips Cream in Fanciful High Pigment Moisture Wrapping Lipstick. It doesn't contain carmine. And I love this. It does look like kind of like a pillow top mattress. That's interesting. It's different. Oh, that color is pretty. A little sheer. That's one of those moisture lipsticks, but that is gorgeous. I like that color a lot. So happy to have that. Anyway, so with $30, I was able to get a few free gifts. The first one I got is actually from Lancome. I'm just gonna keep it in this little thing for now. It has you got a sample of the Monsieur Big mascara. You got a sample of the Genifique Youth Activating Smoothing Eye Cream, and then you got a Boost Your Lashes with the #1 mascara eye primer. Okay, I'm just gonna give this to my mom. I'm just gonna set it aside and give it to her because one, I know Monsieur Big has cornmeal in it. I don't know about the whole white one. It could be, could have it, but not seeing it. And I'm not really interested in their eye cream, so I just figured I'd say that for my mom. But that was one free gift I got for spending, I think, $25 on makeup. And then for spending $25 on skincare, which I guess the L'Oreal counted as skincare too, the tinted moisturizer. I got the sample of a ½ ounce. It's actually a really good size of the Clinique Moisture Surge, which is the cream. So that's actually bigger than you normally get in a sample size. So that's actually a really good size. I'm not the biggest fan of this. I used to be when I was a teenager, or late teens, but not so much anymore. So I'll pass that along to somebody else. I was just gonna get it. I didn't know it was adding it. Oh, and I got these deals because it was like a platinum and diamond, or diamond offers actually. I think they were diamond offers. So this is another one. This is the Cover FX monochromatic lip color. This is full size, and it, like, I got an email and it was, I think, just for diamond. It could have been platinum, but I'm thinking it was just for diamond. And it gave me a code to put in, so I could not use like the $350 off the L'Oreal. I had to use this code for a free lipstick from Cover FX. And I've never tried this, and I know after this year, like, I'm gonna have to go through lipsticks and get rid of a lot, because I know a lot probably have gone bad or expired just because they're not being used because pandemic, wear a mask. So I chose the color Spice Cinnamon. It had some pretty colors, mostly nuder shades. They had like a mauve one I was tempted by, but I was like, I like the Spice Cinnamon. Okay, that doesn't look like Spice Cinnamon to me. It looks kind of like a neutral rosy pink kind of thing, but it's supposed to be very, like, why are you sticky? All right, yeah, like, that is such a pinky nude, which is fine. That's a pink nude. I thought it was going to be orangish. That's not orangish. It smells like lipstick ingredients. I thought it was going to be a little bit more like Spice Cinnamon, which you think Spice Cinnamon would be. I mean, it's pretty deep pink, but I have that color like quite a few times. Now, granted, I've never tried their formula, so, you know, that's all good and well. I mean, at least it's a color I can wear. I mean, yeah, it's fine. All right, and the last thing I got, Lord knows, this is so crazy. This was a free gift. You just had to add it and then spend $25 on makeup, I think. Is this? This is the Kylie Jenner Pressed Powder Palette. This is her Kylie palette. I thought it was a birthday palette. I don't know. This thing retails for like $65. I got it for free. Y'all know I don't support the whole Kardashian thing, so I don't buy any of their makeup or anything like that. Though I was tempted by, we'll say I was tempted by Kim's perfumes once or twice, but I didn't. But yeah, this thing is full of carmine. So I didn't get this for me. I thought it'd make a great gift for somebody else. I'll go ahead and open it. Or, I don't know, giveaway, maybe, if I ever do a giveaway before I give this as a present. But honestly, it's probably going to be a present. Oh, it's a Spring Pretty palette. And that glitter comes off, or no, Sippin' Pretty palette. That glitter comes off. That's like, oh, come on. Up your packaging that the glitter doesn't, like, rub off. Like, how does that make sense? So, it does have a big mirror. And those are shades. So you got like a lot of neutrals. It kind of looks like a Morphe palette with all the neutrals, but you do have a few pinks and purples, and you got black, a whole lot of neutrals. So yeah, I don't know what's with that, but I was like, you know, I wasn't gonna pass up a free palette and have to pay for it. And hey, gift. You know, you want to give that as a gift? I'm gonna give that as a gift to somebody. It might end up a niece gift. It might end up a friend gift. All that I know, my free gifts, I'm not even gonna use. But I was like, you know what? If I'm gonna buy something I was interested in those moisture tints, granted I should have stayed stuck with the light one, which I thought I should have. Would have been better. But the lipstick, this pillow top, gorgeous. And that was my little Ulta haul. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, you know.